Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Confirm your bottle jack or floor jack is rated 2 ton or greater. Check the jack condition and never use damaged equipment. Engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks on opposite wheels to prevent roll. Set the car in gear for manual or park for automatic transmissions. Find the manufacturer jacking point behind the front wheel lip and clean the area. Position the jack saddle centered under the jacking point. Keep all body parts clear and instruct bystanders to stand back. Position the jack saddle centered under the jacking point and confirm stable contact. Pump the jack slowly and lift until the tire clears by 3 inches. Pause frequently and inspect alignment between the jack and jacking point. Once the car reaches the target height, carefully place rated jack stands under the pinch welds or reinforced lift points. Lower the jack until the vehicle rests fully on the stands. Never rely on the jack alone for support during repair or inspection tasks. Raise the car slightly with the jack to remove jack stands before lowering. Confirm nothing is under the vehicle and no tools are left near suspension parts. Slowly open the jack release valve and lower the car until the wheels touch the ground gently. Remove the jack and then remove the wheel chocks from opposite wheels. Tighten lug nuts to the manufacturer torque specification after the vehicle is back on level ground. Verify brake pedal firmness before driving away for safety.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.